Hey, this is Colin with Texans Can Cars for Kids, here to give you another tutorial video on our brand new website. We're really excited to roll this out this week. It has a lot of new features. It's going to be a lot more user-friendly. And since we're doing online-only auctions, we want to make the experience as enjoyable as possible. So we want to thank all of our buyers and everyone that's been participating in our online-only auctions. It's been a great success, and we couldn't do it without you. So that being said, all the rules still are the same. You still have to put down your deposit. It's a $200 deposit. We accept Visa, MasterCard, or Discover. And whenever you create your account or log into your account, it'll still prompt you to put down that deposit in order to place any bids. So be aware of that. And then if you do win a bid, it goes towards your purchase of a vehicle. And then if you do not win a bid, it'll be refunded to you after the auction. And it might take your bank about 3 to 5 business days for it to fall back on your card. So I want to go over some of the new features for the site, give you, some tips. If you have any questions about the site, feel free to, leave them in the comments or give us a call anytime at 972-274-5437. But like I said, we're really excited about this new site and hope everyone enjoys it. So let's jump right in. There's two options for you to view the auction. You can click this auction tab at the top of the banner, or you can scroll down a little bit and you see the auction right here. And then you'll click this plus and click get started. So once you do that, you'll be redirected to the auction page where you'll see the auction program, online only, 9 a.m. every Saturday. Has our phone number there, auctioneer license numbers, shows that we're open to the public. And then it has a new registration and auction login in the top right-hand corner. So that's relatively easy to get to as well. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see all the rules about auction program. Live bidding is currently suspended due to COVID-19, online bidding and proxy bidding. And then if you want to look at the vehicles, you'll click vehicles for sale. It'll scroll you down and you'll be able to look at the pictures and details for all the vehicles going in the sale. For instance, this Saturday is July 11th, and we'll have 204 vehicles going in the sale this week. So, and then if you want to look at the auction rules and fees, you click this tab right here. You scroll down and you look at the auction rules, the in-country rules for IDs, export of out-of-country IDs accepted, and our terms and conditions. There's also two new tabs at the top right of this vehicle auction rules. You'll have your fees tab, which it'll explain the auction invoice includes purchase price, buyer's premium, which says see below, which is on the sliding scale right here. So this is your buyer's premium. A processing fee of $31 for dealers and $82 for individuals. State sales tax of 6.25% of the sales price. Vehicle inventory tax, which is relatively small. Title application fee of $33, an e-tag fee of $5, and then a transfer or storage fee if you do want to transfer or if you have to pay storage on that vehicle. One new feature, which is really awesome, is the price calculator. So if you click that, you scroll down and say you want to place a bid for a car at $1,500. And you want to know what your out-the-door price will be, what after all the fees are added up, what your price will be. Well, here it is right here. Your total due is right here. It does a breakdown of all the additional fees, and you can do this for any amount. So if you want to do $3,000, there's your total price for $3,000. If you want to do $10,000, there's your price for $10,000. So really cool feature that we added there as well. But like I said, I want to give you all a little sneak peek on how to register and what to expect whenever you go to online bidding. So let's act like we're going to do a new registration. This is going to be your first time bidding with us. So you'll fill out the form here with your first name, your last name, and email. I'll use our distribution email. So if you have any questions, here it is for you. And then our phone number there, and then you'll create a username. So for me, I'm going to do Colin Test 10, and then you'll create a password, confirm the password, and you'll scroll down. This alerts tab will be for our email alerts. So if you want to be alerted whenever our final list is posted, you can alert me when the list is updated, or you can don't alert me at all. So that's completely up to you. And then before registering, you have to check this box saying that you have read and agree with our terms and condition and auction rules. And then there's also a link to go back to that page, which I already showed you. So once you click that, you click register. And then you're back to the vehicles for sale. So you see the vehicles as well. And then it also says, want to participate in the live auction, click here and pay your $200 full refundable deposit. So you'll click there. And then this is your deposit confirmation. So it'll ask for your billing information. So you'll just fill this out real quickly. So I'm putting in our address here as well. And choose state, zip code, and then your email, and your phone number. All right. And then secure payment. And then you'll be redirected to this screen where you'll type in your credit card number, your card expiration date, and then the last 3 numbers on your back, your CVV code for your online auction deposit. So once your deposit goes through, you'll see a page that says your payment was successful, and you can either click the auction tab up here on the top, or you can click the button that says go back to look at the vehicles. So once you go back here, you start looking at the vehicles for sale, you'll see this link right here where it says click here to log in and participate to live auction. So you'll click this button and it'll open up a new page for you. Let me share that real quick. All right, so you'll open up this page right here. And basically what it's going to tell you is that you can view the auction in progress. You can view our available vehicles. You can view vehicles that you have purchased or vehicles that you have sold, which you don't have to worry about. So once you get to this screen, you'll want to click View Auction in Progress, and you'll be redirected to this page where you'll be prompted to select an event, and you'll click the event. Most of the time, this will be labeled Cars for Kids Online Only Auction, and it'll have that Saturday's date tied to it. But for this one, we're doing a tutorial test stream, so you'll click that. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the upcoming vehicles that are going in that week's sale. So you'll see pictures of all the vehicles. They'll also have run numbers as well. And then you can also go through all of these tabs at the top here. You can create a watch list. You can look at your bids. You can look at the run list, like I said, of all the vehicles that are going to be in the auction. And then whenever you log in, there will be a countdown right here as well that shows when the auction is going to start. And then in order to see the live stream, what you'll have to do is you'll have to click this little link right here where it says install Flash Player and restart browser. So you'll click that. You'll click this link right here that says please go to adobe.com/flashplayer. And then your browsing device will ask you to allow to run Flash, and you'll want to click allow. And then once you do that, you'll be able to see a live stream. So this is the current screen. This is the current auction bay picture that is in our auction right now. And this is where we'll be driving the vehicles through the auction bay right down this lane right here. So now you know how to bid online. Once again, thank you so much for joining us on our online only auctions. They've been a great success. And we want to remind everyone to follow us on social media, facebook.com/TexansCanCarsForKids. You can follow our YouTube channel where you'll see this video. And if you can't log in, if you don't want to buy any vehicles, you're more than welcome to follow our Facebook page where we stream every auction live as well. So you can just watch the auction, see how much some vehicles go for, and anything like that. So once again, thank you so much for joining us on our tutorial video. Give us a call if you have any other questions, and we look forward to seeing you logged in and bidding on some cars.